Gig number 1, Hotel Ziggy, Hollywood.
I am the dust in the light. You are the fog in the night.
Gig number 2, Mark Awards. And we're nominated too. We better win, that's all I can say.
The winner is Bright New Day.
Gig number 3, 10th of October at the Hotel Cafe.
Gig number 5 at the John Peel Centre in Stowmarket, baby.
Gig number 6,
Number 6.
Huddersfield.
Huddersfield.
And it was lovely.
That is the best band I've seen in a long time.
Gig 7, it's coming up in Sheffield.
Gig 8, Login Lounge.
Gig number 9, the Troubadour London.
Just doing broken seconds before they're due on stage. It's the Sons of Guns. Woo! It's the Sons of Guns. I can't believe it. I can't believe it.